Rev up your engines. Welcome to the best fix of the week. Every Thursday, 4 contestants will show off their 30-second car fix and compete to win a $100 Amazon gift card for use at the Scotty store. The winner will be chosen by you in a poll at the end of this video. But sadly, cats are not allowed to vote. And here's this week's contestants.
When the transmission went out on my 90 Suburban, I consulted the internet and decided to fix it myself. I put in new clutch packs, Corvette servo, 2 4-band, and a bunch of other stuff. I installed a booster valve, a shift kit, wired up the TCC solenoid off the 4th gear pressure switch, and put in an override switch. I snagged an oil cooler from the pick and pull and installed an inline filter. I built a DIY transmission jack from the floor jack and set the throttle valve with the GoPro remote viewing app. She's all buttoned up and running better than ever.
Do you have a dash light out? Not anymore.
A tip and a quick fix. Harbor Freight, little grabber under $5. Strong and flexible. Trying to get that pesky wire through the firewall. Grab it. Shove it through. Easy release.
Alright, so the problem I had with this vehicle when I bought it is one of the clips on the OBD port was broke, and originally it would go into here. So my creative idea was I made my own little mount right here using knickknacks I found in my dad's garage, and it's pretty sturdy, as you can see right here. And if you don't believe me that they wouldn't accept it, because my state has emissions tests, still passed.
Well, that was this week's contestants. And for your chance to show off your own car fix here and compete to win, email me, and I'll pick the best ones to show in next week's contest. So if you never want to miss another one of my new car repair videos, remember to ring that bell.